you can see, Rajan is going to do a demonstration of this Anand of this. But it seems to be a fort called Shaniwar Wada that was built by some Peshwas during the Bajirao reign of like 1700s and 1800s. Seems to be the oldest fort in this region. You have to read about it, by the way. You can buy a ticket. You can already see over here. There is some board notification over here. Look. There's a notification over here. Yeah, on this board you can come. I'll show you. Friends, this is an incredible moment of my 3 years of YouTube videos which I have been uploading, because right now I am at Shaniwar Wada of this Pune, one of the oldest forts of this Maharashtra state. You cannot believe how would I have been able to come over here. Like last 2-3 days I was planning to come over here, and finally I gotten an entry to enter this, and this is the proper entrance I'm showing. Right now I'm exactly at that entrance where these people are doing the verification of their tickets, which also I will show you in my video, and I'm going to show you about the whole plot, exactly how is it. Right now, as you could see, I'm just at the entrance. I'm with my family over here. There you could see this verification of tickets has been going on, and as we move forward, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you. See over here, just at the entrance, you could see this is a massive fort, Shaniwar Wada. And believe you me, it's the oldest. I can't date back the history of the creation of these walls. Right now, just outside the walls, you could see these gardens over there. Nice lush green gardens and trees have been constructed over here. They have kept it clean, fully clean over here. The walls are just massive, big huge malls which are over here. And it seems to me that possibly they had constructed to like safeguard them from those attacks those were happening from their opponents. So we are inside this, and I'm going to move forward. I'm going to show you. My wife is standing over there. My children are also over here, and let's ask the exact reaction. Raki, what is your reaction on this Shaniwar Wada video?
Here I come there. Of this way.
Fast, louder. Yeah, he's also trying to put some video on his YouTube channel. Okay, so we are very excited. I'm moving forward. I'm going to shoot more videos of it. Okay, so friends, I have just got up at one of the spots where I could get you the best visuals possible. This is at one elevated spot over here, from which we can get a good view of this Wada called Shaniwar Wada. So basically what they have designed is some garden over here, in which some small ponds are also over here, as you could see. But most importantly, the thing is that right now, just now I'm like 100 odd meters from this Wada, so-called Wada. As you could see over here, there is a family tree they have mentioned over here. See here. They have mentioned over here the whole family tree of this. You can see. And then they have created these gardens over here. People are just sitting over here for passing time. Majority of it that they are passing time over here only. They have come only for just spending time. Some trying to spend time with their families over here, children and wives and friends and all of them. Not necessarily. You could see that the boundaries are very tall. The boundaries are very tall. It is wide over there. But people are found right there at the top itself. Okay, you could see over there. And it is very wide. Very difficult for me to actually also go over there till there. And it is such wide, It is right now exactly located in the middle of this Pune city. If you go outside over there, huge traffic over there. Some rickshaws are making noises and lot of vehicles are drawing over there. They have put this exactly in the middle of a buzzing city. Huge traffic and everything is over there, Life is just moving on over here. On the fort, we did find some places which you could really show to you now. If you zoom in over here, this is called Residence of Sadashiv Rao Bhau. He is one of the nephew of Bajirao I, son of Chimmaji Appa, brother of Bajirao I. He was martyred in the battle of Panipat. It is mentioned over there on the mention over there. And you see over here, so basically it is 300-year-old property and keep it preserved. They just been showing the landmark. This is one of the spots on which this has happened. Exactly like this, as you can see in the overall this surrounding over here. Ruins are there, stones have been totally broken, completely damaged. You have people over just
keep there.
And there is also one residence of Madhav Rao Peshwa. As you can see, my cameraman would just bring me near. Pause. Just Madhavrao Peshwa, he was the fourth Peshwa of Madhavrao. Again, the year mentioned is the Battle of Panipat. The Battle of Panipat was very important,
Oh, it's
and during that battle, lot of soldiers and lot of these important major commanders in the history of Maratha soldiers had died during the Battle of Panipat. You would see, I do not know exact history of Battle of Panipat, a fight between the Mughal, I suppose, and the Maratha soldiers, Maratha Empire. And then again, this Madhavrao Peshwa must be leading their battlefields, their particular cantonments, the military cantonments. So one of the places they are showing properly over here, where this commander might have died. So again, as you could see over here, the whole place is totally ruined. Is ruined, you know. Nothing to show more or anything. They just put one of the spots only so that you could understand that this was the particular location. The years are lot of. As you move ahead, come with me. Now you could see over here. My cameraman find very difficult to shoot it. Look at this places. It's very big. It's huge. It's massive. The area is still there. Can you believe it? So what this stupid, this children, they have bunked their schools, colleges, and they're sitting over there and wasting time over there because they do not know the importance of the history. It's Shaniwar Wada, one of the very oldest forts. You can see that woman is walking over there. I couldn't even jump inside. I'm excited, but I could endanger my life. But you can see over here, the walls are right behind, till behind. And we must go over there also, but that is very difficult going because my children are over there. I try to shoot most of it. There have been rumors I have heard about it that in and around here there have been noise and voices heard of children. So they say that child was like murdered, brutally killed, sort of during that. I do not at all believe on that. They say during evening the voices of the child. Finally, all we have tried to cover over here. Then they have placed this. Really, it is quite a good place if you really want to see the history of Pune, and you could really visit if you feel like. Nice place. I have yet not gone there. As I had shown you in my opening of the video, that is the proper entrance of the Wada. They go over there and try to click pictures from there. I didn't go over there because I have small children with me and I will find it very difficult with the legs would pain. I'll certainly try to do it once I plan to come with my own car over here. At that time when my children will be grown up, I'll certainly try to go there exactly at that and try to see what are people saying. So maybe possibly from that side you get the way to walk and then you go till here. I hope this video was really informative for you, especially those who are curious about going to Shaniwar Wada. They would be watching the videos on the YouTube and they really want to. I try to cover maximum possible. Try to cover from the starting part where you book the tickets. 20 rupees ticket is there. Very simple to book it by UPI application. And you enter over and try to get a glimpse of the history. Hope this video was informative to you. And please kindly keep on subscribing. After this, my India visit is getting finished. I'm going to go to Dammam and then there's informative videos about the educational part. This all will keep on continuing. This was the most awaited video because I was really curious to come to Pune Shaniwar Wada and finally I've been able to finish it. Hope you like the video. Keep on watching. Subscribe to the channel and in comment section put what more you want to watch. Bye.